And we're going a little outside the box. We stopped at McDonald's, got some dollar chicken McChickens. If you're on my channel, you'll know I always bring it to the next level. We got some ham. Actually, you know something? We wanted the Chipotles first. That's a big one. That's a big one. And that's a big one. Let's put the big one here. Now the ham. Hold on. Let me clean my hands. All right. Now we're going to go for some pickles. Pickles and ham go very well together. Pickles and chicken. Crazy, right? Oops. We'll get rid of that. Feed the birds. And that's what I'm talking about. That's my dinner. And wait. We want a little adobo dipping sauce. Gotta have a dipping sauce. There you go. That's my dinner. Yummy. Got some Hatfield classic ham. Some pickles. Yummy.